Hey guys, I'm Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. In this video, I will talk about Oraimo FreePods 3 TWS. So if you don't subscribe this channel and hit the notification icon and follow us in Instagram. The link is in the description. So without wasting time, let's begin. Oraimo FreePods 3 TWS. Its battery life is 8 hours and its Bluetooth version is V5.2. This is actually a good earbuds for you, and if you call to others then you can hear his voice crystal clear. So if you say about its sound, I will say yes, its sound is very good, so you can give a trial. Again, if you say that should I buy, then I will say yes, because its sound is very good, you can buy this. So that is the video. Subscribe this channel and hit the notification icon, because we regularly upload these kinds of tech news and I can reply to your comments also. Give your comments, give your opinion. I will share my opinion also. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.